Oh, my name is Marilyn, and I did the Keralase treatment, which helps with the hair growth and the health of your scalp. I decided to do this treatment because I suffer from hair loss. I have some bald areas, especially right here in the front, so it was something that I was very concerned about. As soon as I found out that 4Beauty was offering this treatment and that it's the latest in technology, I was very interested about it, and I searched up a little bit about it, and I booked an appointment. Well, the booking experience was amazing. Since the moment that I called to find out about the treatment, they gave me a lot of information. They gave me step by step what is how it was gonna go, and they provided me with an estimate. In fact, I took advantage of a special they had, which was amazing. Since the moment I got here to 4Beauty, I was greeted very nicely. I was offered coffee. I was walked through the consents and everything. I was a little nervous, but as soon as I went inside and I met the nurse, she again explained to me the whole procedure, step by step. It was really quick. It was a very fast procedure. It is done with a laser, with the ultra machine. Not painful. It's something that you can definitely tolerate. And then she put the serum, which was very refreshing after the laser treatment. And that's it. You need to do the Keralase treatment every 2 weeks, and a total of 6 treatments. After 6 treatments, I definitely see results. I see my hair more thicker, I see it fuller. The areas where it was bald, I see it with more volume, and definitely it is the treatment that I recommend for anybody out there suffering from hair loss, from hair thinning, from my scalp is even healthier. It's not anymore so oily. Keralase treatment is for both men and women. What I love about 4Beauty is that they inform you well of all the procedures beforehand. They advise you, and they are very worried about any concerns that you might have. The main reason why I chose Keralase treatment with 4Beauty Medspa was because I was very concerned about my hair loss, and I was so happy to know that 4Beauty offers this kind of new treatment, and I am so happy with the results.